Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will do remaining question of paper 2 of year 9 checkpoint. So in the previous video we did question 1 to 14. So in this video we will do the remaining questions. So before we start, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel if you are getting benefit of these videos, and share it with your friends, and I will wait for your comments in the feedback. So let's start. Question 15 that we have here, and the grid shows the position of triangle P and triangle Q. Here is triangle P and triangle Q. You describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle P onto triangle Q, from P onto Q. So if you see by looking that, you can see that this is a rotation. This triangle is rotated. Let me just use tracing paper. So it's here. If you see, this has been rotated like this here. So now first of all we will write down. There are 3 marks. We need to have 3 things to write here. First of all, it is a rotation, right? Sorry. Rotation. It was rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, right? As you have seen, when we have rotated this, this is the triangle here, we have rotated it just one, like this, one turn, which is 90, because this is 90 degrees here. Now we need to know the center. So for the center we will use trial and error method here. I'm going to put this here. So let's see. I'm taking this one as a center. Put your pencil at that point and then try to rotate. You see, I just got in the first try. Here the center is this one. Okay, so this one here, if you go down here, this is 5, so it's 5, and y coordinate is 7. So we have 1, 2 and 3 points to write down to get 3 marks, right? Now triangle R is congruent to triangle P, right? So triangle R is congruent to triangle P. Triangle R maps onto itself when it is reflected in line y equals to x. In line y equals to x. Now let's see, where is our line y equals to x. Line y equals to x is this side. So y equals to x means whenever x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, like that. So this is the line, like this, these points, you see. So we will join all these points to make a line. Okay, so this is line y equals to x. Now R maps onto itself when it is reflected on y equals to x. So as you can see, we have this triangle here. So this triangle, describe a possible position for triangle R on the grid. So for this one we need to have, like, let's say we can have this triangle like this. So if I put this triangle anywhere here, so when you reflect, it's gonna give you the same position. So that means we can just draw it like this. Okay, so this will be the possible position of the R when it reflect to itself, right? So this is R. Now number 16, the diagram shows 2 circles each with center O. Show that circumference of the larger circle is approximately 44 centimeter more than the circumference of the smaller circle. So we have to find out the circumference of both circles. So first of all we will do this for the smaller circle and the larger circle. Okay, so for smaller circle radius is 11 centimeter and the circumference is going to be 2 pi r. So 2 pi times 11, right? 2 pi times 11, let's see. 2 times pi times 11. 2 times pi times 11. It's 60. No, something is wrong. So it's a 69.11. 69.115. So approximately 69.12 centimeters. And for the larger circle, radius is 11 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, which is 18 centimeter. Okay, so circumference is 2 pi r, which is 2 pi times 18, and I have calculated this is 1313.9 centimeter. Now we are looking for the difference. So as we have here the difference, which one is more? So difference is 113.09 minus 69.12. So this is 43.95. So approximately, if we round it, this will become 44 centimeter. That's what we want to show, that they are 44 more than the other circle. Question number 17. The table shows information about the ages of 100 runners. Here is the age, here is the frequency. Calculate an estimate of the mean age of these runners. So first of all, we are going to take the midpoint of this, the middle point, 20 and 30. Between 20 and 30, it's going to be, so we are going to take the midpoint of this. So midpoint of this 20 plus 30 is 50, divided by 2 is 25. So this is going to be 35. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 110, it is 55. So this is frequency, and we are going to multiply. This is x and this is fx. Fx, we are going to multiply this. So that is 25 times 34, which is 850, right? Then 35 times 18. 35 times 18, 630. Then 28 times 45, which is 1260, plus then 55 times 20, which is 1100. So we are going to add all of these. So this is 850 plus 630 plus 1260 plus 1100 divided by 100, right? So let's see how much is that. 850 plus 630 plus 1260 plus 1100, right, divided by 100. Oh, sorry. 850 plus 630 plus 1260 plus 1100. So this is 3840 divided by 100. So this is 38.40, right? So that is 38.40. That is the mean age, right? Now number 18, a teacher asks 3 students to state the equation of 2 lines with the positive gradient. Now positive gradient, we have the equation of line y equals to mx plus c. So for positive gradient, m should be greater than 0. So let's see which one is m is greater than 0. Here m is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Here m is 2, greater than 0. So answer is correct, right? In this case, you see this is mx. Mx, you have a negative sign with the x coefficient. So this is not the answer. So this is positive, this is half, this is also positive. This is also a correct answer, right? So that is number 18. So let's see the next number 19. So number 19, we have another shape here. A shape is formed from a right angle triangle ABC and a semicircle. This is a semicircle here. AC is 6 and CB is 6. Find the area of the whole shape. Whole means we are going to find out area of shape 1, area of shape 2, then add together, right? So area of shape 1. So this is a triangle. Triangle is half times base times height, right? Half times base is 6 and height is also 6. So 2 times 3, this is 18. So 18 centimeter square is area of the triangle. Now for the area of this semicircle, area of semicircle is half pi r squared, right? Area of the circle is pi r squared, half of that is semicircle. Half times pi and r, this total is 6. So this half will be 3. So radius is going to be 3. 3 squared is 9. So let's calculate this one. This is pi times 3 times 3, it's 9 divided by 2. So this is 14.13 centimeters squared, right? So now we want to find out the total area, the area of whole shape. Area of whole shape is equal to 18 plus 14.13. So plus 18, which is 32.14. So 32.14 is the final answer for that, right? Now calculate the length of AB. Length of AB. As you can see, this is a right angle triangle. I can just draw it here. So we are looking for length of AB. So this is 6, this is 6. This is right angle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we will write down by Pythagoras theorem. We have hypotenuse square, which is AB square, base square, that is BC squared plus AC squared, right? So BC is 6 squared, AC is also 6 squared, right? So this is 36 plus 36, which is 72. So AB is going to be square root of 72. So let's see square root of 72. It is 8.48. 8.48, approximately we can say 8.5 centimeters, right? So that's it for this question. Number 20. Number 20, Anastasia asks the audience of a film if they liked it or they did not like it. The compound bar chart. This is a compound bar chart. All the information is shown in one graph here. The results: did not like is the dark part and liked is the shaded, this gray one. So show that 30% of the audience did not like the film. So did not like. So we are looking for who liked and who did not like. So first of all, we will see that those who did not like the video. Did not like is here from if you see, this one is from 0 to 10, so that one square represents 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 is here and this side we have 15. So those who did not like is 30 plus 15, that is 45, right? And those who liked the film is here. We have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and it's 65, right? 65 plus, then here we have 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is 105. Okay, and the total, we are looking from the total. So total here is, if you see, this is 95 here, 95. Total number of people who watched the film, it's 55. So 5 plus 5 10, this is 150, right? So total is this, but we are looking for percentage of those he did not like. So 45 over the total, which is 150 times 100, that will give us the percentage. So let's see. So this is 450, this is direct 15 times 3 45, so 3 times 10 is 30%. So that's what we wanted to show here, that 30% of people did not like the film, right? Now next question number 21. The distance between two cities is 17,000 kilogram, correct to the nearest 1000 kilometer. Complete the inequality. So you see, this is the upper bound or lower bound. Here we got this one from the distance is 17,000. So when you subtract 500, you get this. Now we will add 500. So 17,500, half of the 1000 kilometers, right? Now second part B, the mass of the bag is 1 kilogram, correct to 2 decimal places. Find the lower limit of this one. So 1 kilogram, we are going to subtract 0.5 from here. So this is going to be 1, because we are looking for 2 decimal places, 0.05. 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. That is going to be the lower limit of the mass, right? Now number 22, a solid cylinder has height of 18 centimeter. It's given. The curved surface area is 845. Curved surface area is this one here, which is 845 centimeter squared. Find the area of the top of the cylinder. Top of the cylinder means we are looking just for the area of the circle, right? So curved surface area, we are given curved surface area of the cylinder is 845 centimeter square. So 2 pi RH is 845. 2 pi R we don't know, that we are going to calculate, and H is 18, which is 845. So R from here is 845 divided by 2 pi and 18, right? So let's see how much is that. 845 divided by 2 times pi times 18. It is 7.47 centimeters, right? So sorry, not square, centimeters. This is radius. Now we have the radius, so we can find out the area of the top. Area of top, that means which is a circle. Circle is pi r squared, and pi r is 7 point. We can approximate it to 7.5 to make calculation easy, right? So let's see, 7.5 squared times pi. Wait, pi times 7.5 power 2. Yeah, it is 176.71, right, centimeter squared. So that's gonna go in the answer space here. Okay, now let's see next, number 23. Find the value of the integers a and b when this one is equal. We are just going to, we have two sides same, we are just going to open the bracket, expand the bracket. So x will be multiplied to both of them, x squared plus 5x, then negative 5x, negative 25 plus ax. Open this one, x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 36 plus b, right? So let's see what happens. This and this gets cancelled. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have x squared, then I will write down term of x minus 25. On other side we have x squared 12 minus 3, it is 9x, but positive because 12 is positive and it's bigger than 3. So minus 36 plus b, right? Now equating coefficients on both sides, right? When you equate the coefficients on both sides, the coefficient of x square is 1. Now coefficient of x is 9 here. Both sides is 9. Sorry, this is not 9. This is a. This is a, not 9. So from here a is equal to 9, right? And then negative this, the constant term is negative 36 plus b is equal to negative 25. So b is minus 25 plus 36, which is 11. So value of b is 11. A is 9 and b is 11, right? So now number 24, this is the last question of this paper. I hope you guys are getting everything. Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So let's do this question. Rajiv has bag containing only red counters and blue counters. Remember to underline the keyword, right? Safia has different bags and blue counter. This is Rajiv here, this is Safia here. They each they each take one counter at random from the bag. The probability that Rajiv picks red counter from his bag is 0.6. This one is given. The probability that they both pick red counter is 0.18. So these things are given. Find the probability that they both pick blue counter. So we are looking for this probability here, which is blue and blue, right? This is what we are looking for. So let's see step by step. Probability of getting red is, if it is 0.6, this is going to be 0.4 because they add up to 1, right? Then if this is 18 here, so 0.6 times what gives you 0.18, that is 0.3. You see 6 times 3, then 0.18. So this will be 0.3.